This is a morning view. Look at this.
Morning.
Morning.
Palaka.
Sayang di namin na video. Kahapon, patulog na kami. May palaka din sa loob ng tent. 2 beses pa. Buti tinanggal namin lahat tapos nalabas yung palaka. Tapos after, naglalaro na kami. Dumikit pa dito. Gustong-gusto talagang pumasok sa tent. Anong masasabi mo sa palaka incident?
I'm scared. And then Shang, they started screaming.
Sarap naman ng breakfast. So this is the Sunday special. New Hampshire stir fried.
They cook the pasta al dente, and you top it with this special seasoning: pig's ear butter and soy sauce, organic soy sauce, fermented for 180 days. And this powder, I can't tell you the secret.
It's a special.
Family heirloom.
What is that?
It's a
Charcoal yampo.
it's 3-day dry aged.
They have shower in here, but you gotta pay $2.50 for 5 to 6 minutes. And the shower is pretty clean. You have some hooks for your clothes right there, and this is where you put your coins, and it gives you a hot shower. So this campground is actually nice because they have shower. Not all campsites have this kind of shower. We're here in White Mountain Forest. Safe ba dyan? Welcome to the paradise! Just setting up her camera. Setting her drone. Oh. I'm just waiting. I don't have to set up anyway. So kami mag-picture. It's really nice here. Look. We weren't really planning on coming here, right? Because in Google Map it says that this area was closed, but going to our another destination, we saw that people were parked, and we saw the river or the water, so we stopped by, and good thing we did. Okay, pakita natin yung view ng pinagkakabisihan niya. Oh, hi there! Welcome to Rocky Gorge Mountain in New Hampshire. Our spot earlier was better because in here there's more people, as you can see. What are we having? McDonald's Sunday with fries.
So the secret is
Deep. Take.
deep. You dip French fries through ice cream and
Sunday.
just like near around.
Bacon McDonald's.
Good ba yun?
French fries.
Oh. Hers is different.
Weird.
Bye-bye.
I'm home.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for this opportunity. I really had so much fun. Yeah. I hope next time we do like a week, you know, without Ate Sheng, not inviting me. I think I won't be able to go out, of my comfort zone. So thank you so much. So
Next
good to be
time.
back at home, but I will miss the quietness,
The wilderness.
the wilderness.
And the frogs.
Yeah, and the frogs. So thank you. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.
I just want to say thank you for saying yes and going on an adventure with me. Even though we didn't even have a plan, and hope that we'll do it again next time.
Good afternoon. We are now in New Gorge.